Hi, what's up everybody? Julia here, and welcome to beautiful Albatera. Today we are checking out an absolute paradise, a massive boutique Mediterranean-style resort villa that you can have completely to yourself. We're kicking things off right here by the crystal clear waters of this expansive private pool. And I mean, just look at that backdrop. The mountain views here are completely breathtaking. It is the perfect spot for hosting friends and family, especially with this dedicated barbecue setup and the gorgeous courtyard space. From the second you arrive and see that grand entrance framed by towering palm trees, the house just projects so much peace and tranquility. All right, let's head inside and check out the main living areas. You'll notice right away how seamlessly the layout flows from one room to the next. Now, the real heart of the home is this ultra-modern, fully equipped kitchen. Check out these sleek white cabinets, the high-end appliances, and this massive central island. What I really love are these striking stone feature walls. It truly is a chef's dream come true. Every single detail in this house has been curated for maximum comfort. For instance, these open-concept living and dining spaces stay perfectly cool in the summer heat thanks to centralized air conditioning. But hold on, for those cozy winter evenings, they've also integrated a premium pellet heater that brings so much warmth and character to the space, ensuring you're comfortable year-round. Now, let's talk a bit about the specs of this property. This villa features 5 generously sized bedrooms, which gives everyone in the family ultimate privacy and a space to relax. The bathrooms are an absolute masterclass in modern design. You've got a large, seamless walk-in shower over here, and right next to it, a luxurious jacuzzi tub, perfect for unwinding after a long day under the Spanish sun. Whether you are looking for a permanent family residence or just a high-end holiday retreat to escape to, this Albatera property genuinely has it all. But guys, wait until you see one of my absolute favorite features of the entire estate, the massive upper terrace. You get direct, seamless access straight from the bedrooms out onto this deck. From up here, you get panoramic, uninterrupted views of the entire estate and the surrounding mountain ranges. I can completely imagine myself sitting right here with a morning coffee or watching the sunset over the valley. It's pure magic. All right, everyone, that wraps up our tour for today. If you fell in love with this villa as much as I did, make sure to hit that like button. Drop a comment down below letting me know what your absolute favorite feature of this property was. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss another luxury home tour. As always, you can find more information about this listing in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.